Welcome, this is Ken from Jazz Time. Jazz Time is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you enjoy our videos, we would greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from jazztime.com once in a while. Today we're going to be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36 reference 126200 silver index on oyster with a dome bezel. We're going to talk about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet, and the movement, and tell you where you can buy it at jazztime.com for the lowest price anywhere online. So let's start with the case. It's 36 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger. That means if you take the measurement across this distance, it's 36 millimeter. Now the case is slightly different. You might be wondering why this one has a new reference number 126200 versus the older 2018 ones that were 116200. Well, I wish I had another one to show you side by side, but I don't. But this case, the lug where my finger, the lug is where the case connects with the bracelet, is a bit thinner. The profile here is thinner. It makes for a nicer proportion, makes the watch look more balanced, and just makes the watch look nicer on your wrist. It's also more comfortable. The bezel hasn't changed from before. It's still a dome bezel. For those who don't like a flashy fluted bezel, this dome bezel works just fine. Moving on to the movement used to use a 3135. That's a movement that's pretty much used in all Rolex Datejust 36s and even the Submariners, but they now change it to a 3235, which instead of having like a 48-hour power reserve has a 70-hour power reserve. That means you can put your watch down on Friday, pick it up on Monday, and it will still be working just fine. And it's also more accurate, so that's another reason why you should upgrade to the nicer 126200. Now moving on to the dial, they've got rid of some of those old dials. They used to have like a ton of different configurations. Rolex has simplified it and they're making them index now. Why? Probably because index you can see it at night. What does that mean? That means the luminescent here, it's not bright enough, but the luminescent is, let's try this. Okay, I'll shine this out for a second, and if I bring it close to you, or actually I guess you could just see it like this. So that's what the luminescent looks like. So this is what it would look like at nighttime. Okay, as opposed to the Roman ones which you couldn't see at night. Obviously this is quite helpful because most of us do things at nighttime, like buy watches. Just kidding. Okay, so moving on to the bracelet. This is an oyster bracelet, not much different from before, but it's a oyster, which means 3 links across with a brushed steel on the outside and polished on the inside. Really nice. Has a hidden clasp, meaning when you fold it, it folds like this. It's actually called the oyster folding clasp. Okay, so that's it. And you might want to buy this one. You can see all the different prices at jazztime.com. I'm going to try it on for you. If you're going to watch this video and you're thinking about buying it, best buy it from jazztime.com. We offer the best prices anywhere online and even excellent customer service, so long as you pay us. Thanks!
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on the mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.